Today is the day the Shiba Inu community has been eagerly waiting for. Satoshi Kusama, the brilliant but mysterious lead developer of the Shiba Inu project, has finally returned, and not empty-handed. He came back with bombshell updates that are sending shockwaves throughout the crypto space. But what makes this return so different? Almost 2.6 trillion Shiba Inu tokens were just recorded in one massive transaction, and nobody saw this coming. This isn't just a regular update or a feel-good tweet. This is the beginning of something much bigger, something that could mark the official start of Shiba Inu's dream rally. So what exactly is happening here, and why is Satoshi's return and this massive token movement so critical? Let's break it all down. Disclaimer first, this isn't financial advice, but the details we're about to explore are too significant to ignore. Satoshi Kusama's comeback wasn't a casual hello. After nearly 2 weeks of silence, he reappeared on social media with powerful messages and updates that many believe will change the course of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. He hinted at a white paper unlike any before, one that integrates artificial intelligence into the heart of Shiba Inu's future. That's right, this isn't just another technical document. This white paper could transform Shiba Inu from a meme coin into a real-world tech powerhouse. As soon as Satoshi posted his update, the crypto world took notice. Social media platforms lit up with speculation, excitement, and most importantly, confidence. But that's not where the surprises stopped. Right around the same time, blockchain data revealed an absolutely massive movement. 2.6 trillion SHIB tokens shifted in a single day. Let's be clear, that's not something you see every day. In fact, that kind of whale activity is extremely rare. When whales move trillions, they're not playing games. They're preparing for something. They're positioning themselves strategically ahead of a major shift, and that's exactly what appears to be happening right now with Shiba Inu. Now, let's address the chart. Yes, if you just glance at the current SHIB price, it might not look like much has changed. The token is still sitting below key moving averages, and the technical indicators may not scream bull run just yet. But this is where so many people go wrong. They focus only on the surface. Beneath that surface, the fundamentals are shifting dramatically. One analyst pointed out that Shiba Inu is currently hovering around a very strong support level. In his view, this could be the best buying opportunity in months. He suggested that even in the short term, there's room for a 20% upside just from this support level alone. That's not counting the AI white paper, the L3 rollout, or the upcoming token play announcement. Speaking of the L3 network, another core developer, Call, announced that Shibarium is entering its next phase, an L3 upgrade that could significantly increase the network's capacity, reduce fees, and make it even more scalable. When you add this to the AI roadmap, it's clear that Shiba Inu is evolving from a simple meme token into a complex, innovative ecosystem. And that is exactly the kind of development institutional investors, developers, and tech-savvy retail traders want to see. Now here's something you probably haven't considered. Satoshi isn't just working on upgrades. He's crafting a strategy that's been quietly in the works for months. Back on May 30th, he hinted at this when he changed his social media bio to say he was working on his final white paper involving AI, SHIB, and SHI. He stated that most people still don't understand how massive this transformation will be. And you know what? He's right. Many in the crypto world still look at Shiba Inu as a meme coin, failing to see the silent evolution happening in the background. This AI white paper is expected to lay out a vision where Shiba Inu doesn't just integrate AI, but becomes one of the first community-driven crypto ecosystems that leverages artificial intelligence for governance, strategy, and possibly even automation of on-chain services. Think about that for a moment. A token that started as a meme could soon be leading the charge into AI-powered decentralized finance. That's not just exciting, it's revolutionary. But let's go back to the whale activity for a moment. Because while developers are dropping white papers and launching L3 networks, whales are moving mountains. That 2.6 trillion SHIB transaction is the largest spike in on-chain volume recorded since early June. According to Intoth block data, such high-volume whale movements have historically occurred right before major price swings. That's a huge clue. These players don't just gamble. They make calculated moves based on insider insights, fundamental analysis, and long-term vision. So when they start scooping up trillions of tokens, it should raise your eyebrows. Even if you're not a technical analyst or an AI expert, you should recognize the pattern here. Silence, followed by building, followed by whale movement, followed by a major update. We've seen this cycle before with Shib, and each time, the results have been explosive. The community rallies, trading volume surges, and prices follow. And let's not forget what Lucy, Shiba Inu's lead marketing strategist, recently tweeted. She wrote, "One day you will tell your story of how you overcame what you went through, and it will become someone else's survival guide." That quote captures the entire essence of Shiba Inu. This isn't just a story about profits and charts. It's about resilience, belief, and community. This is a project that has endured wild volatility, harsh media narratives, and endless FUD. And yet, it keeps coming back stronger. What makes all of this even more fascinating is the timing. All of these developments, the AI paper, the L3 upgrade, whale transactions, Shytoshi's return, they didn't happen in isolation. They all happened within the same 48-hour window. That's not random. That's coordinated. And when things are coordinated like this, it means something big is on the verge of unfolding. It's like all the puzzle pieces are finally locking into place. So here's the question. What does this mean for you, the holder, the investor, the believer? It means that we could be standing at the edge of a moment that people will look back on and say, that's when it all changed. If you've been in the space long enough, you've seen how these moments play out. At first, the price moves slowly. The charts look shaky. Skeptics scoff. But then the updates roll in, social media lights up, trading activity explodes, and prices rocket upwards seemingly out of nowhere. If Shiba Inu delivers on even half of what they're teasing right now, we're not just looking at another pump. We're looking at a full-blown ecosystem transformation. We're talking about a project that could shift its position from being lumped in with dog-themed tokens to standing shoulder to shoulder with major DeFi projects that are building real-world use cases. The AI white paper alone could bring in partnerships, new development teams, and possibly even new forms of governance. The L3 network could attract dApp creators and reduce congestion. Token Play, one of Shibarium's partners, might be the wild card that brings gaming or metaverse functionality into the fold. Add all of that to a loyal, global community, and you've got a recipe for something massive. So what should you do now? Stay informed. Keep a close eye on upcoming announcements. Watch the charts, yes, but more importantly, watch the developers. Because behind the scenes, they are clearly working on something they believe will change the game. If history repeats, and all signs suggest that it will, then Shiba Inu is gearing up for its next major leap, and you might just be here at the perfect time. So what's your take on all of this? Are you as fired up as we are? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to make sure you don't miss out on a single Shiba Inu update as this story unfolds, hit that notification bell and stay locked into the channel. There's a lot more coming. Share this video far and wide. Let's make sure the world sees what's happening before it's too late. The future of Shiba Inu might just be arriving faster than anyone expected.